Welcome back, YouTube. This is Brandon Lechuga with 303 Streets. Today we are going to be doing the Nissan Rogue and how to remove the grill. I'm going to explain how to remove that because I mounted the light bar. I should have ran my subwire when I was doing this. Wasn't thinking. But anyways, today I'm going to tell you how to remove the grill. So let's start from scratch. This is what yours is going to look like essentially. You're going to have 4 little tabs like this. Sorry, I don't have the greatest light right now. But like this, just the ones that you pry up like that with the flat head. You can have 4 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're going to have 2 little clips. One right here. One right there. And I'm going to just take the grill off so I can show you what exactly you're looking at and what to expect. So, we did the 4 top ones. You're going to have those. You're going to have this one. To remove this one, you pinch it in and pull it out. That's how I got mine out. It was just like a little pinch and pull. So, in order to do that, you need 2 hands because I suggest using a flathead to pinch it and then push it in. And then you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 2 at the bottom. And then 2 other ones that are a real pain. So let's run through them really quick. These are the 2 bottoms that go right here. You're gonna push them in. It's just a regular, little tab. And again, I wish I had better lighting. I'll just come over here out of the way so we can see this. So those are the 2 tabs. These down here, 1, 2. Those were also on the bottom. Took a flathead and I just pushed them in. So I took a flathead and kind of just pried it in. Came over here, pried it in. These are these kind of tabs again. You kind of just push them in and push these ones down. So that's really it. That's all you really have to do to get the grill out. Now that I've got mine out, I might black out the front eventually since I know how to get it out. Because this silver wrap is like bubbling and stuff, and rather black it out and possibly, who knows, maybe make a custom little grill. So that's how you get the grill out. And then yeah, that's about it. So put it back in. You kind of just push it in and it should all click back in. So I hope you found this video helpful. Like, subscribe, and have a good day. Thank you.